The United States and Japan have finalized a major tariff and trade agreement announced on July 22, 2025, which sets a 15% reciprocal tariff rate on Japanese exports to the U.S. This rate is significantly lower than the 25% tariff previously imposed or threatened by the U.S. earlier this year. Before these negotiations and the Trump administration's new tariffs, effective U.S. tariffs on Japanese goods had been below 2%. Key elements of the deal. The tariff rate: Japanese goods entering the U.S., including automobiles and auto parts, will be subject to a 15% tariff instead of the 25% rate that was set to take effect August 1st. This is considered a relief for Japanese exporters relative to the higher tariffs threatened earlier in 2025. Japanese investment. In exchange, Japan has committed to invest $550 billion in the U.S. economy. Market access. Japan has reportedly agreed to further open its markets to American vehicles, rice, and certain agricultural products. Automotive sector. The 15% tariff also applies to automobiles, replacing the earlier 25% blanket tariff. Context. Japan is a critical U.S. trading partner, supplying $148 to $150 billion in goods in 2024, including $58 billion in vehicles, making this the largest bilateral trade deal for the Trump administration this year. Pending details. While President Trump and U.S. officials have announced the broad outlines of the agreement, the Japanese government has not yet confirmed all the specifics, and some elements of implementation and investment details remain unclear. This agreement comes after months of tense negotiations and follows political changes in Japan's government. Markets and business groups initially saw the 15% tariff as a significant improvement compared to the prospective 25% rate. The Trump administration also noted that similar preliminary frameworks have been reached or are under discussion with other trading partners, but the U.S.-Japan deal is the most substantial so far this year.